Hi, welcome to SEO Hacker School. I'm Sean C, and I will be your guide as you learn SEO that works. Hey SEO hackers, welcome again to SEO Hacker School. For today we'll be talking about how search engines work. So before you begin to learn about SEO, you need to understand how search engines work. For this lesson we'll be talking about three main things, which are the three main functions of search engine. That's indexing, retrieval, and ranking. Indexing is when a search engine spider goes out and crawls your website. Crawling, by the way, is the act of the search engine when it goes out to your website and it reads all your codes and it saves it in its database. That act of saving it in its database, it's called indexing. When a search engine reads your website, I mean that it goes out, sees your website, looks at the back end. Because remember, all websites at the back end is made up of codes. How you see images, how you see videos, and other understandable text is because your web browser translates those codes into understandable images, understandable videos, etc. So, a search engine spider goes out, crawls all your codes, saves it in its database. That's called indexing. Next is retrieval. So retrieval is when a user, which is yourself and me, would type in a search query. What's a search query? A search query is when you type in something in the Google text box. When you type a search, that's called a search query. You hit the enter button. What Google does is it goes into its entire database, the websites that it has indexed before. It goes through that, gets all of the relevant websites, and pulls it out of its index. After retrieval, we have ranking. So after Google has retrieved everything from its database, from its index, what it does is it looks at each and every one of those relevant websites, and then it ranks it depending on metrics like authority, trust, relevance, and a lot of other stuff. And we'll be discussing those metrics sooner in our SEO school. And so it ranks these relevant websites, and then it shows it to you in its search engine results page, or SERP. We call it a SERP. So those are the three main functions of a search engine. First is indexing, next is retrieval, and last one is ranking. Our next lesson will be talking about on-site optimization, so see you there.